Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start analyzing Nifty 50 and see what we can do in tomorrow's session, that is 25th of November 2020. If you look at the daily chart right here, the price action over here, see how Bank Nifty tried to go down. It went to make lower lows, then again it was pushed back and again it tried to go lower, which is it managed to go, but you see the long wick candle, the buyers also were trying to push the price up, and slowly it is trying to make foray and try to take down this high, which is also a resistance level. And on the left hand side you can see a bit of gap. So in tomorrow's session Bank Nifty will try to fill the gap. So if you want to buy, do not buy unless Bank Nifty goes above 29,800. I can see 30,000 being reached in tomorrow's session. Let's see 15-minute chart to understand the price action. So here Bank Nifty just opened right here below the resistance level, and once it took off it never backed off. It kept on making higher highs and higher lows. So tomorrow is going to be a bullish. Do not look to sell at all unless you see a long wick candle. That's the when you have to come in. Otherwise 29,800 is the best place to buy. You can buy with a huge quantity if possible, because I can surely see a extreme bullish momentum in tomorrow's session. Now we will analyze Nifty 50's price movement in today's session, and we will see what levels that we can trade in tomorrow's session. So Nifty 50 gapped up and it was kind of hovering just in this zone, but later in the session slowly the buying momentum built up and it managed to take the morning's high and close at the nearest high. So in tomorrow's session, if we go to daily chart, I can see this bullish momentum continuing. You might see a gap up opening once again, as Nifty is trading at all-time high. We do not have any nearest level to set target to. So we are going to take the average candle in Nifty 50, which is around say open 22. It is around 40 to 50 points. So that's the target you have to set. So you are going to buy above this candle, which is 13,080, and the first target should be 14,000 and then 14,020 to 14,030. So we are going to keep it short and sweet. I would highly advise you to trade in Bank Nifty, as there we can see a breakout pattern developing. That will give you more bang for bucks than trading in Nifty 50, where the momentum is extremely slow and we don't know where it is going to go. Now we'll analyze four stocks for tomorrow's session. So first stock we have is Voltas Limited. Let me go to daily chart and we'll see the pattern. I will advise you to pay attention to cluster of this candles over here. This has become a channel over a last week, and you can see this is also a support level indicated by long wick candle. See how price is moving in and around that zone. First it tried to go up, then it failed, as you can see long wick candle, and again it tried to go low as well. But in today's session you saw extreme bullish momentum approaching the breakout zone or resistance zone. So in tomorrow's session, if Voltas India manages to go above 781, I can totally see it is going to crack that round number of 800. Also you can see that there is a lot of bullish as well as bearish momentum, but the major trend is bullish. You can see right here, you see 2 to 3 bullish there, then again price comes down to support level, again it goes up. So similar kind of action is developing. As we know, the channel pattern is an extremely profitable pattern. We generally, what we do, we set a double, we take the length of the channel. So here the length of the channel is 17 and we set it, the target should be double that of, so 34 should be the target here, but we are going to go a bit conservative and we are going to keep on trailing our stop loss. So if we get to the 34 level in tomorrow's session, it's well and good. Otherwise, we have got our minimum profit at least. So you have to be a bit calculative and don't just go for higher profit. Keep on trailing the stop loss. So at least we are going to take something home, not go empty-handed. Second stock that we have for tomorrow's session is Amar Raja Batteries. So you can see Amar Raja Batteries has been riding on bullish momentum. You can only see two bearish candles throughout the span of last 3 to 4 weeks, which can be as extreme bullish momentum as it can get. So what we can do here, also at the same time, I mentioned this formation of candlestick right here. Price opens and it tried to go down, but it is pushed by huge buying pressure and it closed almost at its high point. This is an extreme bullish pattern, and that is what we can see in today's session. So what we are going to do, we are going to place our buy order above 895, and tomorrow it could easily break the 900 barrier and even as high as 910. As Amar Raja battery is trading at all time high, just like Nifty 50, we do not have any nearest level to set our target to. Hence, we are going to take the average range in a session, and that will be our target. So, average range here in Amar Raja batteries, from what I can see, let me calculate that it is closer to maybe 15 to 20 rupees. So that should be our target. So around 810, that's the maximum target we have. We are going to trail our stop loss as always, not just go straight from the bigger target. Third stock for tomorrow's session is JSW Steel. So this is a resistance level. You can see from last week it has been trying to break this level, but it was pushed back by decent selling pressure. Again, it is trying to make foray towards breaking the breakout zone. Also, at the same time, this is a support level. You can see two long wick candle. So right now, the momentum is changing, and in tomorrow's session, if JSW goes above 343, I can see it is going to challenge this breakout zone. I can also imagine or also analyze that it will try to get to that 350 level. So that's what we have to do. We have to go above 343 and look for smaller profits. You might see a similar kind of candle in tomorrow's session with the wick on the upper side. Let's see what happens. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Tata Steel. You can see how Tata Steel is trying to make higher highs, and the reason for the wick on the upper side is, if you go to weekly chart, see it is approaching near the resistance level. See the gap. This high was achieved in 2019 and the month of April. So you can see it is not going to break this high at one go, it is going to consolidate. So in tomorrow's session, I see this bullish momentum continuing, and we can see Tata Steel going or matching the level of 560, and after that it may consolidate, and that is when we have to come in coming session. If you see cluster of candles which are showing correction, or in other words consolidation, then it is going, when it is going to break this breakout zone, you are going to see a huge bullish momentum, and I can foresee this happening in maybe next week or so, even in this week as well. Now it's time to see all the important levels such as entry, stop loss and target in the four stocks we just analyzed. As always, I'm going to repeat the same thing. Do not take position into more than two stocks, because I do not want you to divide the amount of capital you have into smaller quantity. As we see, the kind of stocks I give, they generally have more than decent momentum. The target is more than 3 to at least 2 to 3% of the total price of the stocks. So maximum 2, and keep on learning through my videos. And if you like the content I am dishing out, make sure you watch all the videos that I am uploading on my channel. I have also uploaded strategy video on how to find stocks. I think that will be helpful for you. You just have to run the scanner which I have given. You can find the scanner in the description box of those videos, and make sure that you do it every single evening or whenever you get time, if especially if you are working. And that's it. Thank you for watching.